Bell rolls is the reporter thrown into the secretive world of the Forex Super Model, where nothing is as it seems. Beware the techno monk, and steer clear of Professor Code and his two assistants. Give the senior trader a wide berth, and don't expect any sense from the risk manager.
Merry Christmas from the Forex Super Model for 2021. Just to let you know what's going on really. We've been at this channel for just over a year now. Every day, at least one video. It mutated slightly into horse racing, which we're pleased with. But basically, we're going to take this opportunity to review our process and the channel. Because we've been at it a year, and if you look at the views for the channel, yesterday we got 7 views on our daily briefing, and for those, and one of those was us. So we got 6. So for the 6 of you that watched it, I thank you, and for the person that keeps liking it, I thank you even more. But basically, we're at a stage where it's not viable for us to carry on in this format. We're going to carry on with the racing in this sort of Professor Code format, but we've got 122 subscribers only after over a year's full-on effort, and obviously we're doing this around our other stuff, and today seems a very apt time to pull the plug. Also, we're having problems with the brokerage at the moment. We can't get on our websites, so it just seems like a natural break. I mean, we're going to obviously stop over the Christmas period, but we're just going to pull the plug a little bit early. What is it now? It's the is it the 9th or the 10th? I don't even know the date now. So, but anyway, once again, thank you for those people that have stayed with it and watched it. Hope it's been useful. We're going to come back in the new year with some sort of Forex content, and we're going to continue with the horse racing. So there you go. So anyway, have a great Christmas and New Year, and see you then. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.